Peace be upon you, my dear students. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, we start our lesson 22, spelling. In this lesson, we'll go through some meanings and words. Like the first one, dentist. I'll explain all these words and their meanings. Okay. Number one, dentist. What is the meaning of dentist? It is a person qualified to treat people's teeth. The dentist is a doctor. When your teeth ache you or hurt you, you will go to the doctor. This doctor is a dentist. A dentist. Okay. Number two, narrow. Narrow, small width in comparison to length. Narrow, when you go by your car or your dad's car in a street, and this street is narrow. You can't move by your car or your dad's car. Even if you are walking, you can't move. Why? It's this narrow. Or if you have a room in your house, okay, this room contains only a small bed and a small cupboard. Why? Because this room is narrow, or the kitchen is narrow. Okay. Number three, shelter. Shelter, something that protects or cover. Shelter. When you walk on the street and it begins to rain, what will you do? You will go under any building, or you enter a building. Okay, why? It's a shelter from rain. It's a shelter. You protect yourself from rain. If you are in a forest and there is a wild dog or a lion, okay, attacks you, okay, you will go and run and escape very fast to search for a shelter to protect yourself from this wild animal. Okay. Number four, corner. Corner is a place where sides or edges meet, or when it's a place where two buildings meet. Like if someone asks you, where is the restaurant? This restaurant is on the corner of Bimbaz and Sultana Street. There is a gas station. Okay, on the corner of Bimbaz Street and Sultana Street. Two streets meet together. In this point is called corner. Number five, hollow. Having an empty space inside. Having an empty space inside. It doesn't contain anything inside it. It doesn't contain anything inside it, so it's empty or hollow. Number six, silver. Silver, it's a shiny white metal. A shiny metal, okay, white one. Silver, like if you have a necklace, or your sister, your mother wears necklace or bracelet, silver one. We have silver and gold. Okay. Number seven, capture. Capture means take or get by force. Capture, when there is a thief, okay, and the police will capture him and seize him and put him in jail or in prison. Okay. Number eight, dinner. Dinner, of course, is a formal evening meal. We have 3 meals a day: breakfast and lunch, and in the evening what? Dinner. Okay. When you invite someone to dinner. Okay. Number 9, standard. Standard is a level of quality or achievement. a level of quality or achievement. Okay, we'll go here in number 7, capture. Give you another example. This example says the island was it's, you know that the island is an area of land surrounded, okay, by water from the 4 sides. This island or a piece of land was captured by Australian forces in 1940 or 1914. This island was captured. Means what here? People came, okay, and they took this island by force. Okay, when you do something by force, means you capture something or a person. Okay, we'll go to number 10. Frontier. It's a border separating 2 countries. Of course, you know that Egypt is close to Libya. Okay, between Egypt and Libya, between these 2 countries, there is what? Frontier. This is the area separating 2 countries. Separating 2 countries. Number 11. Stampede. A sudden rush of animals or people. Okay, a sudden rush of animals or people. A sudden rush of animals or people. 12. Final. Final means the last or end. The final competition will be on Tuesday. Okay. Number 13. Ahead. In front of. Where is the restaurant? It's ahead of you. Ahead. Ahead, when you look, okay, you will see it. See something. It's ahead of you. It's not on the right, not on the left. It's ahead. Number 14. Divide. Divide, separate into parts. Divide when you are in your class and the teacher divides you into 2 groups or 3 groups. Okay, he divides you, or you divide something, or divide a sandwich also. It's no problem. Number 14. Famous. Very well known, like Muhammad Salah is very famous. Muhammad Salah is very famous. Okay. Number 16. Recent. Having happened shortly before the present. It's happened from a short time. Happened from a short time. Okay. Number 17. Minus. In math, to take away from. In math, when you in math, listen, 7 or minus, okay, 2. It's what? It's here you take away 2 from 7 equals what? Equals 5. It's minus. Or the temperature is -1. Below 1 or -0 or below 0. 18. It's a reward. Reward, something given in return for a worthy act. Means when you do your homework, your teacher will give you a reward or reward you. Okay, will give you a reward, a gift, a present for doing something good. Or your parents, when you obey them, they will give you rewards or a gift. Okay. Number 19. Broken. Not working properly. If your mobile is broken, of course it will not it will not work properly. If I ask you to please call me this number, no, my mobile is broken or something is broken, it's not working properly. Okay. 20. Decent, following acceptable moral standards. Standards. Decent means if you have good morals, you are kind, you obey your teacher and your dad or mom, you deal with people with the good morals and the manners, so you pray, so you will say, okay, this person or this student is decent, you are decent, you are good, you are polite. This is the meaning of what of this. 21. Secure, certain to remain safe. Remain safe means if we have a war, your dad or your parents will secure you or secure worthy things. Secure, keep them in a safe place. Secure means keep in a safe place. 22. Finish. Of course, finish is very easy, to come to an end. We will finish the school at 1:30. 23. Cabin is a small hut, private room on a ship. If you travel on a ship before, the room in the ship is called cabin. Okay, or the area for passengers in an aircraft. Okay, so cabin is a small room what on a ship. 24. Minute. Of course, a minute is 60 seconds. It's related to time. We have seconds, minutes, hours. The last one, value, to estimate the monetary worth of, or to consider something important. To estimate the monetary worth of something, of course, or to consider something important. Means here, when you monetary here is related to money. For example, when you are in a gallery and you saw something or saw a painting, okay, this painting, the price of this painting, the price of this picture, or the price of this laptop or mobile is $2,000 or reals. So you valued this laptop at 2,000 reals or dollars. This is the first meaning. The second meaning, consider something important. You think that this thing or a person is important. You value this, the morals. Value the morals mean when someone is very kind, okay, this person is very kind and is very polite, okay, so we will give him his a great place, our position in our society. We value Muhammad Salah, we respect him. Why? Because he is very famous, he has good morals, okay, he is a good figure for Muslims, okay. So these are the meanings for lesson 22. We had, so try please to study well, and if you don't understand anything, ask in the groups, okay, I will answer and reply you, okay. Thank you for listening and goodbye.